Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week we are going to unbox the next set of Hot Wheels which I already showcased during my hunt video. So let's start with this one. So this is a Plymouth Superbird and this is from the Art Car series. This looks so nice. So I bought it. And here is another one, the Porsche 904 Carrera GTS. So I personally bought this because I did like this livery compared to the other two which I already unboxed, and the Maserati Shamal. And this is the first time I'm actually hearing about this particular casting or car itself. So thought of buying it and unboxing it. And this particular one is for Star Wars fans, which is the X34 Land Speeder. This looked really cool, so I bought it. Even though uh, you know, I'm not a big fan of Star Wars. So yeah. So here is the standard card. So personally, I'm a fan of Mario, so I bought it obviously. It does feel like full metal, so let's see how this one actually looks in hand. So last but not least for this particular week, which is this one, the Porsche 911 GT3, and so I personally love this livery so much, the black with golden livery. So I bought it. So stay tuned for this week's video, guys. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.